How to sign into Vrbo with an email one-time passcode. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Vrbo's official website. Here, click on Sign In at the top right. After you've clicked on Sign In at the top right, press on Sign In again. After you press on Sign In again, it will lead you to this page. Enter your email and press on Continue. After you've pressed on Continue, it will lead you to this page. 6-digit code will be sent to your mail. Go to Gmail, open Gmail, and search for Vrbo's mail and copy the code. After you've copied the code, go to the website of Vrbo, and here paste the code and press on Continue at the bottom. After you've pressed on Continue at the bottom, you will be logged into your account. This is how to sign in to Vrbo with an email one-time passcode. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.